12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39. That's the second batch. Third batch,
39.
39. So we go to the third and last batch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
So the totals? 50, 51, 39. Good. So we had any other candidate who got votes in that particular station?
None.
Yes? None? So please put which other electoral material now? Let's look at open the form 34A and then open the other one. Yes, stray. Let's see, for purposes of just record, how many stray ballots were in these books? One.
There's one stray.
You see, there's one stray. For purposes of record, inside this box, there was one stray ballot. Okay.
So
this is MCA, yellow.
Okay. This MCA?
Yes.
Shimanzi and John Ward.
Okay, let's then the last electoral material inside this box, the form 34A. In the meantime, how many counterfoils were used? Yeah, you're opening. As you're opening. Hesabu ni ngumu.
So there's
Okay, they are ready with the Form 34A.
Form 34A.
Yes.
It's here.
So we will look at the contents of this Form 34A and compare, but I want you to finish. Are you done with the math? 222. You confirm? 222? Okay, then we have votes, the valid votes cast for Raila Omolo. 139 for William Samoei Ruto. 83, and then there were no rejected votes. So the totals 139 plus 83, the valid votes. Then it tallies, isn't it? Okay, so let's look at the Form 34A. Compare the contents plus what you have found. Just read fast before you even give them. Just read the contents, the results as declared at that polling station. You look at it. Yeah.
The ceiling is shown as Form 34A, presidential result. What we have found inside, of course you can see the IBC logo. It shows County Assembly Ward Shimanzi Ganjoni, polling station Majengo 046. It shows serial number from 001975 to 001976. Number of booklets 2. Serial number 001976. Batch 988. That is what is on the top. Huh? Now, this is Form 34A, and the serial up here is PR 1976.
So we are looking at before we look at the contents, the security features. One of it is serial number.
So Form 34A, the serial number is PR 1976. It's indicated that the name of polling station, Majengo Primary School, polling station 2 of 2. Ward, Shimanzi, Ganjoni. Constituency, Mvita, County, Mombasa. Do you want me to read the codes or those can leave out? I read out the codes? Okay, the code for the polling station is 00 1 0 0 6 0 0 2 9 0 4 6 0 2. I'll read